In a bid to harness eco-friendly energy, an inventive individual crafted a homemade solar water heater using an old black plastic bottle and some aluminum foil. The bottle, painted black to absorb heat effectively, was wrapped in foil to reflect sunlight. This unique setup was positioned in direct sunlight for a few hours, and surprisingly, it heated water significantly. Not only was this method budget-friendly, but it also sparked curiosity about renewable energy. By the end of the day, they had warm water for a refreshing shower, proving that simple experiments can lead to sustainable solutions.